Jai Shri Krishna to everyone. Myself is Jagdish, staying in Vashi. I had a cold and cough since a week. Then I searched on Google best Ayurvedic clinic near me. Then I met with Dr. Ronak Tanna sir for a same. He had given a tablet and some Ayurvedic churn. And then after having it, I got completely cured within 2 days. I will suggest everyone to visit this clinic. I am very happy to share my experience with you guys. Thank you so much, sir.